Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Linth bank account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Linth bank account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there. But guys, before we proceed, do make sure to like and subscribe to my videos. And with that being said guys, let's enter the address of the Linth bank account. Let's type in bank linth.ch like this and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of the Linth bank account like this, and let's allow all for now. And in order to log into your account, let's close this. And now in order to log into your account, you'll be required to click on the e-banking section of this page at the top of the screen where I'm hovering right now. But guys, if you have not created an account on the Linth bank, you can simply click on the register button available over here to go through a procedure to sign up for a Linth bank account. With that being said guys, let's click on the e-banking, and on this page guys, you can see you'll be required to enter your username of the Linth bank account which you had registered on Linth bank at the time of creating your account, and after that enter your password over here guys. But if you have forgotten your password guys, you can simply click on the forgot password button to go through a procedure to retrieve your accounts or reset your account's password. With that being said guys, after entering your username and your password, simply click on login button available over here, and then you'll be signed in or logged into your Linth bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.